We introduce to you today the LM3030, an enclosed fiber laser cutting machine. It is small size, taking small space. Ball screw transmission mode improves metal cutting precision. Can be controlled using a handheld remote control. It can cut various metal materials such as stainless steel, carbon steel, brass and aluminum. The cutting edges are smooth, burr-free and perfectly detailed. Easy to operate, training provided until you are proficient. Factory direct sales with an after-sales team, quality guaranteed.